Baltimore pit beef is legendary, but can we make it better with an Italian twist? 54 degrees target. Let's find out. This is Eye of Round. In Maryland, they grill it open pit. On my terrace, we use Italian finesse. We skip the complex BBQ rubs. We go fresh. Rosemary, garlic, salt, pepper. Simple ingredients, massive flavor. That's the Italian way. Quick question. Do you usually trim your own meat or do you trust your butcher blindly? Let me know in the comments. For the sauce base, carrots, potatoes, leeks, and don't throw away that bone. Be honest, are you team zero waste or do you throw bones away? Tell me in the comments. Set up your grill for indirect heat at 130 gradi Celsius or 265 degrees Fahrenheit. Veggies and bone at the bottom to catch the gold dripping from the meat. We want tenderness, so we'll simmer it slowly over low heat. Target temperature 54 degrees Celsius or 129 degrees Fahrenheit. As it smokes, the Italian herbs create a crust that American barbecue sauce can't match. Finish cooking the smoked vegetables in the pot with a ladle of broth. Now blend the smoked vegetables until creamy. No barbecue sauce needed, just pure flavor. Look at the consistency. Rate this sauce on a scale of 1 to 10. Hit 52-54 degrees Celsius or 125-129 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull it. Here is the most important part. The Baltimore slice. You cannot cut this thick like a pot roast. To make eye of round tender, you need to shave it paper thin against the grain. Look at that color. Uniform pink from edge to edge. Because we sliced it thin, the texture is butter, not chew. Now let's plate up. First, a generous portion of smoked puree. For the recipe, I've included the video of the previous recipe here at the top right, a few slices of meat, and our smoked vegetable sauce. Time to taste. Honestly, one slice leads to another. You get the smoke of Baltimore, but the herb punch of an Italian roast. This is amazing hot, but it's also perfect cold the next day. So, Team Tiger Sauce or Team Smoked Veggie Cream? Let me know your pick. And let me know how you would create your own fusion version. I'll see you at the next BBQ.